Having trouble with who can see profile photos on LinkedIn app? If you can change who can view your profile photo, the privacy option isn't available, or your selected settings isn't being saved. These troubleshooting steps may help. This video I will show you how to fix who can see profile photos on LinkedIn app. First thing you have to do is go to LinkedIn. Then in this page, you will go to the sign of profile. You will click on settings and privacy. Here in this page, in this page we go to account preferences. You will find here showing profile photos. You will tap here and you can choose who can see your profile, and then you will fix your problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe.